Hello and welcome to All Taste German. In this video I will show you how to make a German bread spice blend, which you can use for a lot of different German bread recipes. For this blend you only need 4 spices. Add the fennel, caraway, anise and coriander seeds to a bowl and blend. Then grind them in a spice or coffee grinder or with a mortar and pestle. You can also try to use a single serve blender. That's all there is to it. Now you can add your spice blend to an airtight container and store it in a dry and dark space. The bread spice blend makes a cute host gift if you decorate the jar with one of our cute printables. You can find the link for the free download on our website below the video. Try to bake some of our bread recipes. You will love them. Guten Appetit!